We gave this thrifted French Provincial dresser a complete overhaul. The top was pretty beat up, but underneath is beauty to be found. First, we removed all of the hardware from the dresser and thoroughly cleaned the dresser inside and out using Crud Cutter. Our dresser was extra dirty, so we vacuumed and sprayed Crud Cutter all over the inside of the drawers and wiped it all out to make sure it was completely clean inside and out. After cleaning, we filled in scratches and dings on the surface of the dresser with wood filler. We let the wood filler dry completely before sanding it down smooth. The top of this dresser had a lot of scratches and water damage, so we opted to strip off the old finish and sand it down to remove all of the damage. We used a new to us stripper and it didn't really end up going as good as I hoped it would. Anyways, I ended up using a carbide scraper to help me get the finish off. Oh well, it worked out in the end, and then we cleaned off the remaining residue using paper towels and a cleaner. Then we let everything dry for a day before moving on to the next step. We sanded the dried raw wood to finish removing the old stain and top coat and smooth out the wood. Then we cleaned off the dresser again. To prevent getting any paint on the raw wood top while painting the rest of the dresser, we taped it off. We taped off the top of the dresser to prevent getting any paint on the raw wood while painting the rest of the dresser. We also taped off the drawers to prevent any overspray from getting inside. Then we sprayed 2 coats of clear shellac on the dresser. The next day, we painted the dresser with Paint Couture paint in Vintage Moss and our newfound favorite cheap paint sprayer. This is the second project I've used the sprayer on. For the price, I have been blown away by the performance. It also comes with everything you need to get started, whereas most sprayers come with nothing extra. The next day, we applied a top coat onto all of the dresser with the same sprayer to help protect the wood and the paint. Then we reattached the old hardware, and here's what it looked like before. And here's what it looks like now. The two-tone finish is such a beautiful combination of natural wood and vintage green. This color has been a favorite of mine for years now, and I'm so glad that I got to use it again. Oh, and now I get to keep this beauty for our new home, and I get to see it every single day. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to show your love. Want to turn your hobby into cash? Click the link in my comments to download the free pricing guide that we use to buy and sell furniture.